The one I had on my knee and on my chest, I could not wear this one you are seeing here is open like that. I could not wear this kind of clothes. I could not wear shorts because it was bad. Like excess sugar. That is one of the things I had to cut down on while I was treating acne. Till today, I had to cut down on excess sugar. I was using this Pharmadem tube. Pharmadem tube contains benzoic acid, sulfur, salicylic acid, and zinc oxide. On my chest, on my face, on my knee, and my back. And I would say, as somebody that was one of the toughest skin condition I've ever faced. You know, you are treating it, it's not going, you are treating it, it's not going. And the most painful part of it is that as it is going, it is leaving black spots on your skin. Serious black spots. So I have acne prone skin, and it means I am prone to having acne every now and then. So today I'm going to be telling you the product I use to clear acne. You don't have to rob the bank. There are products that are they're affordable actually. So acne can be caused by a number of things, and it happens when your pores are clogged. And when your pores are clogged like this, it can produce both blackheads, whiteheads. It can produce other different types of acne. And while we have other types of acne can actually affect your self-esteem. I am telling you from experience. The one I had on my knee and on my chest, I could not wear this one you are seeing here is open like that. I could not wear this kind of clothes. I could not wear shorts because it was bad. How I wish I have a photo, but I don't know how I'm going to do it. I would have shown you how bad it was. But mine was caused by my hormones. So acne can be caused by a number of reasons: bacteria, dirt, stress, hormones, excess oil on your skin. Yes, it can cause acne. So while treating acne, a lot of people tend to forget that they don't have to irritate their skin. They don't have to dry out the skin entirely because they want to treat acne. Like, they want to kill it by all means. No. When treating acne, there are steps you need to take. You cleanse, exfoliate, and you moisturize. Like, for me, that is the main goal for treating acne. While you are cleansing, exfoliating, and moisturizing, you are using products targeted towards treating this acne. You are not going to be using products that will be doing something else when it is acne you want to treat. And most of the times, depending on the type of acne that you have, we have the mild acne to the severe acne. The severe acne, we want to take supplement, but though I feel we should always take zinc. Every woman should take zinc, no matter what. Every woman should take zinc. Take this zinc supplements in order to like treat it from inside while they're treated from outside, because this acne is very funny. You can be trying to treat it up and treat it from outside, but it will be coming out from inside your body. And I want to talk about this too. While you are treating acne, you are avoiding certain type of foods. While you are taking certain types of foods, while you are eating a balanced diet with fruits and vegetables, you are also avoiding certain type of foods, because those foods can actually trigger the acne, like excess sugar. That is one of the things I had to cut down on while I was treating acne. Till today, I had to cut down on excess sugar. So let us go right into the video. So I have quite a number of products here. I was using this Pharmadem tube. Pharmadem tube contains benzoic acid, sulfur, salicylic acid, and zinc oxide. Like, I was just using it to apply on those areas where I had acne. While I see some people using different type of tubes, I'm seeing somebody using Olebact, I'm seeing different funny kind of names of tubes that they are using to treat acne. I don't know, but just be on the safe side. I don't know what you are doing with your skin, but just be on the safe side. So today I'm going to be showing you products that, like I said, you don't have to rob the bank. While I know there are the pan-oxyl foaming wash that contains benzoyl peroxide, the Cetaphil brand and all of that. They are still products you can still get and treat your acne, but like I said, depends on how severe the acne is. There are some acne that needs prescription products. There are some acne that over-the-counter products can clear, while there are some that you need to see a dermatologist. So I'm not a dermatologist, I'm just going to be telling you how I cleared mine. So it's in the medium side, like in the middle. Was not all that severe, but it was leaving black spots all over my body. So the first soap I was using, you would want to use, for cleansing, you want to use an antibacterial bar. So that is where this Dettol soap comes in. So these Dettol soaps contain, this is Dettol skincare, 2 times moisturizers with argan oil. So you see, even as you're trying to treat it, it's not drying out your skin. So I use quite a number of soaps. So this is not the only soap I use. I use this one, and this is very, very effective. This one contains argan oil and lemongrass oil. So while treating acne, there are a number of ingredients you should be looking out for. You should be looking out for sulfur, benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, other type of AHAs, glycolic acid, and retinol, which is a derivative of vitamin A. Yes, you should be looking out for those kind of ingredients. And aside from that, you can also use ingredients like the tea tree, aloe vera, and neem, lemongrass. Those they are also antibacterial. I discovered, these acne treatments, you'll be seeing a lot of things. So like I said, this was not the only soap I used, but this soap, this one I'm holding, is very effective in treating acne. I bet you, ask anybody that have used this Dettol skincare antibacterial bar, they will tell you that this soap is very, very, very effective in treating acne. It's very, very effective in treating acne. I also use this Sebamed cleansing bar for acne prone skin. Like I love that soap. I love that soap. So if you can get that soap too, you can also use it. I use the anti-pimple soap. That soap was also very good, but it was kind of drying on my skin, but it was effective. So you can use any antibacterial bar you can lay your hands on. You can also use Dudu Osun. Dudu Osun soap. You see, that soap is underrated. People don't know how effective that soap is. Dudu Osun soap is very effective in treating acne, but it's just that it is not good for dry skin. If you have dry skin, you have a lot of issues with Dudu Osun because it will be too drying on your skin. But the thing is, when people use it, they will use it on their skin and like rub it on the skin and leave it for a long period of time, and in their mind the soap is working. The longer they leave it, the faster, the more effective it is. You are drying out your skin, and when you wash off that soap from your skin, when you touch your face, if you have used it, you know how it is. So if you have oily skin, I would say use Dudu Osun if you cannot afford the other type of soap. But this Dettol skincare bar is very, very affordable, so you can get this one for cleansing. The cleansing has to be gentle but very effective. They have other cleansers. I'm talking about for the body. For your face, they have other cleansers that you can use from Cetaphil, from CeraVe, they have from Neutrogena. They have even this pan-oxyl cleanser that contains benzoyl peroxide. You can also use it too. This treatment now depends on your pockets, how much you are willing to spend or how much you want to spend, what your budget is. So if you are maybe in a very tight corner, you can just buy this ones, but does not mean it will not be effective. Leave all those big English that they're speaking that it's the brand, because the brand is not the brand you are buying. We are looking for what is effective. Most people are just buying brand name, they are not buying the product. So let's forget about that one. There are products, in fact there are bad products in both the expensive category and the affordable category. They are bad products. There are also good products in the expensive category and the affordable category. So aside from that, I also use my Kojic. This is the only thing left of my Kojic. I can't find the pack, but I use my Kojic soap. But that was after I started to notice results. I was not using this one immediately, but I tried to cheap it. This soap is very, very exfoliating, so I use this one for exfoliating my skin. I use this one for exfoliating my skin, and I use it at night. You can use this Detox skincare bar any day, any time of the day, morning, afternoon, night. You can use it. This one I use it at night. It's very good in treating acne. This Kojic soap. And the thing is, if you are using it, I have a video on that where I talk about how to use this soap. Don't leave it on your skin for too long. Don't leave that myth, mentality, I don't know how they call it. Do not leave this soap on your skin for too long, because it will dry out your skin and it will sting you. So just leave it on your skin for like 20 seconds, 25 seconds highest. Don't let it exceed that. So I use this for my skin if I am not using this one. Okay, I use this one during the day, and I use this at night. And I want to tell you, if you are treating acne, you want to cleanse your skin twice a day or more, depending on your time, but it should not be minimum. It should be twice a day. Don't come in and sweat, because most of the time when sweat has stayed on your skin for a long period of time, it will cause bacteria, and those bacteria, now your pores will start getting clogged and you start seeing pop out, acne will start coming out. So you want to cleanse your skin twice a day while treating acne, or more. In fact, that should be something we should even do on a regular. Your bed sheet you are using, you see, acne is a very tricky skin condition. You want to look out for the outfits you wear, that you're not wearing tight clothing. I'm telling you that you are not wearing all those body hug. You're not wearing body hug. You are not sleeping on dirty bedsheet, dirty pillowcase. If you want the acne treatment to be effective, I'm just telling you, maybe, except you don't want it to be. You can use the products that you use on your face on your skin too. So I use this Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleanser, though I've been looking for this particular one and I am seeing the other type of blackhead cleanser, and I don't like that one. It's not as effective as this, but I use this Clean and Clear Blackhead Cleanser. I know some people, if you have the money to buy the Paula's Choice BHA toner, or even the weightless treatment, good for you. If you have money to buy the ordinary glycolic acid toner, good for you too. Those products will help unclog your pores. You see, when it comes to AHAs, they do a thing on the skin which I like. Aside from brightening your skin, making your skin feel soft, they will unclog your pores, and they will help all the other treatments you are using to penetrate deeper. So I use this Clean and Clear Blackhead Clearing Cleanser.